Winning the Tell Your Story Award is really kind of a surprise for us, but also an honor. I don't know that we do anything special compared to other dairy farms, but it does feel really nice to be recognized for the work that we're doing in our community and how we're trying to help our community feel a part of our farm since we are a part of the community. Well, I think that really we have a couple favorite ways that we share our story. One of those is that we bring kids to our farm every summer at a camp that we created called Farmer for a Day. Those kids come for 6 hours and they spend time doing all the chores that a dairy farmer does. And a lot of those kids have grown up and come back and ask for a job at our dairy farm. So I know they really enjoyed their day. For me personally, going into the schools and teaching cheese making has been one of my favorite ways to engage. Well, I go into the schools and teach third graders, which is the perfect age because they are so curious and they are so thrilled. They all want the recipe. They want to go home and make it at home. They say it's their favorite cheese they've ever eaten. And even one year we had a group of kids request that I had some cheese with strawberry milk and chocolate milk. So we tried it. We made both of those recipes. Those did not turn out. Those were not good. But the regular milk was awesome. And so it's just been a fabulous experience. The teachers ask every year, are you coming back? It's been one of my favorite ways to teach about dairy and the nutrition that it provides. I feel like storytelling really helps the dairy industry because so few people know what it's like to be on a dairy farm. And they know about dairy products, those are some of their favorite foods, but to actually understand how it's produced, it's really surprising to people when they find out the work that's involved. So I feel like it gives us some credibility and it gives people a feel for the work that goes into the food they eat. They really appreciate it and just are so grateful for the people that are doing that hard work. I know it seems a little scary at first to bring someone to your dairy or to engage. There's a lot of things on a dairy farm that you're nervous about bringing people here, but honestly, if you play to your strengths, if you take the things that you are truly passionate about, use that, play to that strength, and invite the community, and I guarantee you they will love it. They will be so grateful that you did. Yeah, I think that dairy farmers are naturally curious people and always trying to improve and do new things. I know that my husband says that his dad always said, when you have a problem to solve, use your imagination. So I think curiosity is a thing that if you keep that through your life, you will be more successful and you'll have a lot more fun doing it.